pharmacy. Sit down here, okay? Sit down here. Doctor,
Yes, hello.
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm doing fine.
Yeah.
Yes.
My girlfriend is sick, so I'm bringing her for checkup.
Okay. What's the problem with that?
I don't know. She just feels sick, so she's here.
I think we'll first have to check our blood temperature.
I don't know. Maybe you can talk
Let
with
her
her.
come.
You come.
Yes. What's the problem?
I'm all of a sudden feeling sick.
Okay.
Just started from my head. My head is just paining.
Okay.
Yes.
So this is the right pharmacy for you. So I think we have to test you so that at least we can know what's the problem with that. You come inside.
Doctor, can I come inside together with her?
No. You'll just be waiting for her there. Because... So, have you ever traveled to any country? You have never traveled? Do you have difficulties in breathing?
Yes. No, I was just